if you were just, life got too busy and you completely forgot, Mother's Day is tomorrow. So if you don't have a gift, I'm gonna hook you up. Just open up your pantry and I guarantee you have the supplies in there. So we're going to make sugar body scrubs. They are really nice. They leave your skin all glowing and smooth. Any mom would love to get them. Anyone really would love to get one. So, and it's so easy and so affordable to make. Okay, so for this particular sugar scrub, we're going to be making a vanilla brown sugar scrub. Doesn't that just sound so delicious? So what you're going to need is coconut oil or olive oil or any other kind of oil that you like. I just like coconut oil because of how moisturizing it is for my skin, but to each their own. Next, you're going to need sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, doesn't matter, sugar is sugar. For this particular scrub, we're going to be using both brown sugar and white sugar. Some vanilla extract for scent, and a mason jar to put it in, so that way it's better to have an airtight container. That way, since you're going to be most likely storing your body scrub in the shower or in your bathroom, it's a lot of moisture and steam and whatnot. You don't want your sugar scrub to go bad too fast, so airtight container is the best bet. Alright, so let's get started. Now, most people probably measure their sugar scrubs, but I'm not going to do that. For the most part, just eyeball it. What you want is the consistency of like wet sand. At least that's the consistency I like for my sugar scrubs. So I'm just going to add some white sugar. That seems about right. Sugar, dark brown sugar, it really doesn't matter. Like I said, sugar is sugar. But alright, all our sugar is in. And we just want to break up the big clumps. Now, what you're going to want to remember when you're making a sugar scrub, whether you measure it or don't measure it, you just want to keep a 2-to-1 ratio. So say you do 2 cups of sugar if you're going to make like a big batch. If you do 2 cups of sugar, then you would only do 1 cup of oil. So 2-to-1 ratio, just so that your mixture isn't too oily and too like greasy and like dripping wet. Like, you don't want that. Wet sand is the consistency you want. Alright, so now I'm just going to eyeball it with my coconut oil. And you can mix this by hand. I'm just being a little lazy right now, so. Here are some others that I made. This is a mint sugar scrub that I use some mint extract. It's like peppermint and spearmint. This one is green tea. I literally just ripped up the tea bags, poured the tea leaves in, and bam. And now we have lemon pound cake sugar scrub. I use orange and cake batter extract, and it smells so good. And then we have orange creamsicle. Now, of all of them, I must say this one is my favorite. It literally smells like that ice cream. And I just use vanilla and orange extract. And last but not least, we have cake batter, which is just vanilla and cake batter extract. I don't know what cake batter extract is, but it smells delicious. So there you go. Now you have no excuse to show up to Mother's Day dinner tomorrow with nothing but an empty stomach and a smile. Make your mom a gift. All right, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a happy holiday, guys. And I'll see you next time.